Before we begin the video, I just want to say thank you for clicking on this video, and thank you to the 54 people that are subscribed to my channel. Appreciate you guys, and yeah, let's get into the video. So I think animators are probably the most underappreciated people just in the movie industry. Like, if you ever seen a Pixar movie, you always see the voice actors just talking around doing interviews, but you never see that with the animators, even though the animators bring the story to life. And debatably probably the most important part. Like, would you go to a movie to watch words on a screen? No. That's what I thought. So like, you always see these celebrity interviews that talk about like they're just showing them voicing like Moana. Okay, now I look stupid because that was actually pretty nice. But I feel like it would be really interesting to see animators talking about the mechanics of it, or like what this lighting did to the mood and how it changed like the feeling of the scene, or like why they changed the expression, or just like, I don't know. I feel like that would be really interesting. I feel like maybe that would get views, but we don't get to see that, do we? Our animators just get paid way more than animators, so we're not even going to talk about that today. So I don't even know where to begin with the amount of skill that these anime artists have. Each frame is something that would take me years to master and hours just to draw a single frame. They can draw literally anything at any angle. I'm 100% convinced that anime artists don't have any weaknesses at all. So you're probably asking, they must get a high pay, right? Since they're so skilled, they bring story to life, right? They must get a unbelievable amount of pay. Sorry to break it to you, but no they don't. See, when I found out about this, it really just made me mad, because to see someone who spends hours a day, years of training just to bring a story to life and overall just joy to the viewer, gets paid less than an Arby's worker. You know, no offense to Arby's workers, but what is this? In Burger King, how is this $2? What is this? Anyways, so you might be like, okay, so what's their salary? Well, their salary is equivalent to 10,000 US dollars. It can even be less. Keeping in mind that each frame takes around an hour more or less, and there are only 24 hours a day if you don't get sleep, because you know nobody needs sleep. Are you starting to get it? Let's also keep in mind that they live in Tokyo, Japan, because most of the studios are based in Tokyo, and Tokyo is one of the most expensive cities in the world to live in, so that doesn't help either. And just so you really get a sense of this, let me show you this clip.
アニメーターさんの中のなんかスタンダードというか普通なんですか？
そうですね。もう会社に行って家に帰らないっていう人もいっぱいいるんで、会社のこう机の下とかでこう寝っ転がって。
However, there's a bright side to this. A lot of animators are super passionate about what they do, and regardless of the pay, they like it. So, but of course, like for everything, you're not always gonna have the best time doing it. So I can imagine with little pay, there's gonna be times that are really stressful. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Maybe you learned a little something. If you're new to viewing, make sure to subscribe, and yeah, check out my other videos and cue the outro.